Do you want to find or share the location of someone right now? I'll show you how to do that step by step, either on Android phone or iPhone. Let's see how to find or share someone's location using any Android phone. So first of all, you open your WhatsApp and then you locate the person you want to send your current location to. So I'm going to send it to this number. So I tap to open. So now you are going to click on this icon, this paper clip button. So you click on it. When you click on it, you will see location. So you click on the location. So when you click on it, you will see share live location, and then you also see send your current location. So we have share live location and then also send your current location. If you want to share your live location, you click on the share live location. So you click on it. So you can give it time, whether 50 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, so that the location can end. So I'm going to choose 1 hour, or you can choose 15 minutes depending on you. You can also add comment if you wish to. So I click on 15 minutes and then I click on send. So you see my current live location has been sent to the person. So when somebody click on it, the person will see my current location. So you can see the person can see my current location. It's simple as XYZ. So let me go back. You can also choose this. So when you click on it, then it will send your current location. So you see, so the person clicks on your current location and then they can see where you are. So you see, if this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who always asks, where are you? Drop a comment below if you have ever used this feature. Also, subscribe now. So for iPhone users, you open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, you locate the contact you want to send your live location to. So I'm going to send it to this number. So I tap on it. Then you click on the plus button. So here you click on it. When you click on it, you'll see location. You click on the location. After clicking on the location, it is telling me WhatsApp business does not have access to your location. So I have to go to settings. So I go to settings and then I turn my location on. I'm going to click on always. So I go back. So I go back to WhatsApp. So now you can share your live location. You can also send your current location. So you see, so if you want to share your live location, you click on the live location. So you can share either 50 minutes or 1 hour or 8 minutes when it will end. So I'll click on 1 hour. You can add caption, you can add anything you want to add for the person. So after you are done, then you click on the send button. So you see, I've sent my live location to somebody. So when somebody sees it, or when the person you are sending to clicks on it, so you see the person can trace you. The person can trace you. So you see, so I'm going back. So location. So you can also use the send your location, your current location. So you can tap on it. When immediately you tap on it, it will send your current location to the person. And when the person click on it, so you see, so the person can trace you with a map or a satellite. So you can see. So it will give the person directions to where you are. The person can see where you are and then the person will use the directions to find where you are currently. My next video will be how you can share contact instantly on WhatsApp. See you in my next video.